In this video, we're going to cover some basic memorization tricks. So there are 4 that we're going to be going through. The first one is repetition. So basically, being able to repeat, let's say, spelling or saying out a name will actually help you memorize it. The more times you say it, the better you are that you're gonna get it. The second trick is actually dispersion. So our brains don't like to be cramped. They like to learn at a nice, easy pace. So if you need to memorize a bunch of terms, don't do it the night before, but actually spread it out throughout the week. So study a little bit this day, study a little bit here, 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 and here, so that on test day, you'll have these terms well memorized. So the third trick is to actually write it out. I know a lot of friends that when they memorize terms, they just keep saying it over and over again and just stare at their textbook. This is actually a very inefficient way of memorizing terms. The fastest way that you can memorize terms is actually to repetitively write it out over and over and over again. Even if it takes you 20 times, you'll actually find that writing out the terms you need to memorize actually help you memorize terms a lot faster and more efficiently. The last trick is to use cue cards. When you're memorizing terms, a lot of times we also memorize the order. But by memorizing the order, although we feel that it helps us, actually is not very good because your test is not going to be testing you in the order that you're studying these terms at. Sometimes you need to know these so well that you can memorize them and recite them out in any random order. So cue cards are useful for this because you can basically shuffle these cards and you can test yourself or you can get somebody else to help you test. So these are 4 memorization tricks that I used when I was in university.